Your transmission is shifting weird and that check engine light is staring you down. It might be the output speed sensor telling your computer the wrong story about how fast you are actually going on the road. This code is known as P0721, and it is a generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code that applies to all modern vehicles made after 1996. Whether you are driving a Chevy Silverado, a Ford F-150, or a Ram truck, this code means your powertrain control module has detected a performance problem with the transmission output speed sensor. This little sensor is responsible for telling the computer exactly how fast the output shaft is spinning, so the transmission knows exactly when to trigger the shift solenoids and change gears. When this signal is out of range, the whole system gets confused. You might notice your fuel economy taking a dive or your transmission shifting so hard it feels like you just got rear-ended. In some cases, your vehicle might even go into limp mode where it stays in one gear to prevent internal damage. The most common causes are usually simple, like a defective sensor or dirty transmission fluid that is full of metal shavings. You should also look for a dirty or clogged transmission filter, which can starve the system of the pressure it needs. To fix this, start by checking your fluid level and color. If the fluid is dark or smells like it is burnt, you need a fresh change right away. Get under the vehicle and do a thorough visual inspection of the wiring harness. Look for any spots where the wires might be rubbing against the frame or scorched by the hot exhaust pipe. Check the connectors for green corrosion or bent pins that might be blocking the signal. If you have a digital multimeter, you can perform a continuity check to ensure there is 0 ohms of resistance in the circuit. If the wiring and fluid are good, you are likely looking at a faulty sensor or a bad shift solenoid. You should always check for technical service bulletins for your specific year and model before you start throwing parts at the problem. If you notice a misfire feeling or the speedometer is jumping around erratically, do not wait to get this fixed. While it starts as a moderate issue, it can quickly turn into a very expensive internal transmission repair if you keep driving it. If you are not comfortable testing electrical circuits or if the fluid change does not solve the jumping shifts, it is time to take it to a professional mechanic who can run an advanced diagnostic with a high-end scanner. Just remember that keeping your transmission fluid clean is the best way to avoid these sensor issues in the future and keep your car running smooth for hundreds of thousands of miles.